I am a neat folder.
Yep, and
Hey, hello.
hello,
Hi.
Alan, Katie, we're back.
Yes.
One more time.
For another episode.
Just one.
Yeah, one at a time.
One
at a time. You don't get rid of us that easy.
Yeah, that's it. What are we talking about?
It's one of those controversial topics, really.
It is, isn't it? Controversial.
Yeah.
Are you a scruncher or a folder? That's the question.
Oh,
And which one passes the pup test?
Ooh.
I scrunch my hair.
Yeah.
I fold paper.
Yep.
Is that what you're talking about?
Of course. Well, paper.
Yeah. So that kind of paper. The old tissue.
There is a third possibility.
Option is there.
Yeah, there is a third possibility.
Paper plane.
I have heard people where they just put there and they just...
Oh, it's more like a wrap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or is it a roll?
That's
like
right.
that.
And then what do they do with it after that? Is it neat or is it just... Yeah.
It's
Does your hand get stuck in?
I mean, is that what they're
you
doing?
hope not really, don't you?
Are they just forcing that finger into... Why do they need so many layers?
Do you take your hand out and then squash it? Because then that's still a fold, isn't it?
Well, it depends how they could scrunch it.
If you don't know, we're talking about toilet paper.
We are.
We are.
So, I got a mate. Hi, Wade.
Not that he's naming names.
Yeah, heaven forbid.
But he's a bit of a... like it must be like a ball. And I just hear one wipe, drop. And I go...
It's been 40 years.
Yeah,
you
I know.
may not still do that now, but you're still holding it against him.
30 years ago. But I still remember it. So yes, I know a scruncher. A big scruncher.
But, I mean, seriously, that would block your dunny. How can that flush away?
Oh.
You got a football-sized bit of dunny paper.
I don't know. Yeah, it mind boggles me. I don't know. I'm not one of them. I am a neat folder.
Yep, and if it's a double layer,
Yeah. Oh yeah.
right?
You'd have to do so many squares.
Well, then it's
Or
three
three-ply.
squares.
Yeah.
Fold it up,
Yep.
and that's it.
Yep.
Done.
What if
Job's
it's
done.
3-ply?
Well, you
two
probably
squares?
you probably get away with 2 squares.
It all depends on the what's left over. Like some.
I mean, you may have to do it several times, but it's still.
The question is not the amount of paper you use, but whether you scrunch or fold.
Yeah, well, there you go. Yeah. And which is more elegant and civilized?
Well.
Is there elegance to wiping one's ass?
Well, there is that. I mean, if you don't have any and you're out in the bush, you just rip out a bit of grass or a leaf. Or...
Do you scrunch that or fold it?
That's when you turn into a bit of a scruncher.
Yeah, well,
Only
there
when
you
nature,
go.
yeah, only in the nature course. Yeah.
Yeah.
But no, at home I'm a folder. I'm neat. I'm very precise with my folds. They have to be a certain length, and sometimes you go a bit longer. That's perfect. Sometimes
You don't use it by the sheet. You use it by the length, do you?
Yeah, length.
So it's not sheets. It's not 3 sheets or 4 sheets, and then you fold it in.
You pull it out, so you get yay long. I'll fold that once, fold it twice. So I'll go fold. Yep.
So it's obviously 3 sheets, or if it was 4, it would be even.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So you don't
So you
work
must be a
by the
three-sheeter.
sheet. You work on length. Doesn't matter how many. So that means you would be tearing a sheet in half.
No, because if he gets 3 sheets
No,
and he folds it in half, it's 1.5. Whereas
Right.
if you get 4 sheets and you fold it in half, it's even at the seam, like what you're
Right,
talking about.
okay.
So
Okay.
he must be a 3-sheet folder.
A 3-sheet folder.
This is my toilet
You
paper
sheet folder, you.
detective skills.
There you go.
Yeah. Unless you do it concertina, then you could have 3. But not the way he does it.
Right, but yeah, again, it depends on how many layers. There
How many
is.
ply?
How many
It's called
ply?
ply.
That
Well,
ply. That's it.
What do you, Seuss? What do you do?
Well, I'm a
What's your-
two-ply, and I work. It also depends on what I had for dinner the night before. If it's Indian, it's probably four folds. If it's not, 3 folds is enough for the two-ply.
And the
And what
bowl's
do you-
filling up, and you go, this shit won't fucking
And
end.
what if you're in one of those public toilets where have you seen the
Oh.
ones where they have the little hole and you pull it out like a tissue?
Yeah.
They're already
It's all
scrunched, and you've got
scrunched and
to
you
fold
try-
it out and try
Yeah.
and get it even flat. Otherwise, they come out and they're like that thick.
Yeah.
And what about the really bad ones where they're only like this narrow? They come on this big, massive roll,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And you pull them out,
And it's a single
And-
ply.
and the toilet paper is shiny.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
like there's
That's
no
not gonna absorb
absorption
anything.
at all.
Yeah.
All you're doing
Yeah.
is smearing it on the inside of your bum cheeks because it's not absorbing anything.
Or when you go to pull it out in a public toilet and you pull it and it snaps and you go, shit. Shit.
Yeah.
You want to just pull the whole lot so it comes, but every single little thing breaks.
And those ones with the cardboard box and it just comes out one little square at a time.
Yeah.
That, like
Just
tissue
as
paper.
annoying.
And
That's
they're
it.
like waxy coated as well. What are you, Katie?
I'm definitely a folder.
Definitely.
I can't say I count how many sheets that come out.
Okay.
I can't say that I do that.
Yeah.
But definitely a folder. It worries me with the whole scrunching. If you scrunch, how do you know that you've actually covered your entire hand and that one of your fingers hasn't poked through and you're wiping yourself with that instead? That concerns me with the whole
I've never
scrunching.
thought about that. You're thinking a lot about
Yeah, I don't like it, so I'm not a scruncher. I don't approve of scrunching for that.
So
reason.
we've got really 3 folders here.
We do.
Well, I actually didn't expect that.
Yeah.
I honestly would have thought that people
So think about people going to the toilet, do you?
that people of the female persuasion
Right.
would be more the either the
Oh,
wrap
wrap
around the hand, you know, and you got this big,
Yeah.
and then you got it.
But why would you
Or-
think that? Like without being gross. Why would you
Is
think
that possible?
No, I think she meant even more gross.
Yeah. In normal situations, you would think male and female going to the toilet would be fairly similar where paper is involved.
Yeah, maybe it's a bias that I have.
I'm feeling like it is.
Yeah, it could
but
be.
I just wonder where that bias comes from.
I
Like, why
don't
do you...
know, but
Is there logic to it, or it's just a gut feel?
probably a gut feel.
Yeah.
But to me, females tend, or I would have thought, oh, okay, here we go. This
Oh,
is
you
it.
thought of something.
I have.
Scenario now.
Okay.
Light bulb moment.
Okay. When, because we happen to have in the house
2 toilets.
where we have 2 toilets, right?
Yeah.
And what I am coming to notice
Just
is that the lady of the house
Yes.
tends to go through like 3 times as much paper as I do in my toilet.
Because you stand up when you pee. We need to use toilet paper every single time we go to the toilet. Do guys use toilet paper every time they pee? Or do you give it a little shake and wander
I
off?
actually met one bloke that does.
Are you that bloke?
Not
So
that I
that would
recall.
mean then, if we tend to pee more times than we do the other, therefore we are going to use more toilet paper than you.
That makes sense. So it's not the scrunchy thing that I thought.
No, it's
No, look, there would be times for a female that they may use more paper in certain situations, but in general, I would say it's more because we use it every time we go, whereas men don't.
Well,
Well,
that's just solved.
what
What
you
Your
was
mean?
lifelong dilemma.
Exactly.
Yep.
Who would have
I
thought?
mean, imagine that. You got a question about a woman. Who would have thought to ask one?
This one will be a pub test.
I should have just asked.
This one we'll have to take it to the streets and
Yeah,
the
I
pub
think
test.
so.
I think so. And find out whether we the only
Folders? No. I reckon an 80-20. I reckon 80% will be folders.
You think so?
Ooh.
I'm going with an 80%.
What about rappers?
See, that rappers, I don't know, there could be some amongst us, but
They live amongst us.
yeah. But I've seen that in movies. In some of the, because I've never obviously witnessed that yourself, but where you have witnessed it, I'm
Because you
thinking,
don't go around watching people on the toilet.
that's my point. But
happy
you
to
say to
hear.
yourself,
It depends on what movies he
Well, that's
watches.
true.
obviously they haven't where I've seen it, but I think about this because I'm watching his hand move and go, where have I seen that before? The movies, right? So obviously we don't go around peeping, tomming, and and doing all
I'm
that.
very happy to hear.
So, but that's where I've seen it. So I don't know if that is Americanized or is it part of Australia? Do you do that wrap around the hand business?
Or is it just a movie thing? Do they do it in movies because it, I don't know, it takes time and you go, oh yes, look, they're on the toilet, they're using paper. If they go, psh, I don't know, maybe it's not cinematic.
Yeah, cinematic.
You tell us.
Yeah.
You tell us. Let me know. Let us know.
Scruncher?
Are you a folder? Are you a scruncher?
Are you a rapper?
A rapper. Yeah.
rapper.
Do you do that while you're on the toilet?
As long as I'm not folding or scrunching, because I need two hands to do that.
Right, okay.
And then we take it to the pub.
Yes.
And we'll take it to the pub.
And we'll find out whether
I'm right
your
with the
theory
80-20.
is right.
Yeah, I reckon there's more neat people out there than scrunchers. Yeah.
Or
I'm
it
just
could
going to
be
say neat because it is a lot neater.
Or it could be hygienic, because you don't have the...
I think it's that too. Well,
Yeah.
hygienic is yeah.
So when you leave the toilet, do you then fold the end of the toilet paper into a nice...
No,
Well, you said you wanted to be neat.
no.
Only in hospitality they do that.
Although on the cruise we just did, that's how they
Yes,
always
they
left
did.
it.
Yeah, I was wondering whether you
Yeah.
you returned the favour.
Put a bit of water on it and hold it there.
Yeah.
But what's the purpose of that?
I have absolutely no idea.
I thought it was just presentation, so you knew, yes, that was
It is. It does
cleaned your
actually
toilet or
serve no
something.
purpose. It's just the fact that
neatness.
oh my god, yeah, they did that again.
Or maybe, or
Yeah.
maybe you just pulled a bunch of toilet paper and folded it up into a swan and put it on the pillowcase.
Yeah.
Or something.
Anyway,
Yeah.
get back to us.
Yeah,
let us know what you think.
What do you think?
Don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Cheers, guys.
See ya.
You see, this is the sort of hard-hitting
Oh, yeah,
journalism
yeah.
that we do.
That's right. That's right.